Oh,
We're in the Tita Anna's.
no shooting.
We're in the shooting.
Yeah, what?
We're in the shooting.
So we're gonna do later. We're gonna do later, huh?
We're going in the movie and the kids is going to Dalan us.
Darn, you don't be cool English. You need to pure English if you want to, and then if you be cool, you can be cool pure to make sure they understand you.
Ano kami? Movie
do-
theater kami.
Do you think your daddy can understand what you said? That you're
No.
Bicol language? Oh, so you can talk English.
Okay, English.
You can English. You can talk Bicol if you are not in the media, the social media, right?
Hi.
Alright, okay.
Today we're going to
We
tomorrow.
gonna join on Tita Anna's shooting for their renewal bow.
Tomorrow we're going
And
to Jay's
tomorrow we're going and James' house.
And-
Yay!
and Uncle Mark's house and Ninang Lisa's house.
Yeah, how about Tita Ninang Judel? Of
We're
course,
going.
we need to go. We need to go in there also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to visit.
Yeah, to visit them, and then maybe next week we're going home, back in Bicol. Yeah, I think you're going good. You are absent in your school for almost 1 week or 2 weeks like that.
I want 5 weeks.
Oh no, you need to your vacation.
My teacher is so very away.